Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix YouTube not working on Android or smart TV. Don't skip the video, watch all the steps. YouTube not working problem will be fixed instantly. Do subscribe our channel and like the video if this helps. This is a Wisdom Share Android TV and you can see it is connected to a Wi-Fi network. Now I will open the YouTube app from menu, but you are watching it is displaying the error can't connect right now. Try again, open network settings. And we can't access YouTube. Now if we open network settings, you are watching our TV is connected to a Wi-Fi network. So I will show you how to fix this error. It is very simple. It is to power off the TV from the remote and unplug it from the wall socket. Press and hold the power button on the TV. Remember, not on remote, from the TV for 30 seconds. Power button may be located under, side or back, depends on your TV model. This process will basically clear the cache memory of your TV. Also, it will take care of many problems like apps not loading or TV lagging. After 30 seconds, release the button. Now plug back your TV and power on. Our TV is on now and you can see it is connected, plus it has automatically adjusted the date and time. You have seen that it was not showing correct time and date in the start of the video. This process will soft reset everything. Now I will open the apps and check YouTube again. You are watching our YouTube is loaded and it has given no error. Now we'll play any video. And you can see it's working. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Kindly like it and share it with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.